Westing Restaurant. This is Raquelina speaking. How may I help you?
Good evening. I'd like to serve a table, please.
Sir? Yes, sir. May I know your name?
Nico Sisista.
Thank you, Sir Sisista. When would you like to reserve the table?
On November 15, 2025
What time will you arrive?
at 7 o'clock in the evening.
How many persons, sir?
4 persons.
Do you have any special request?
A table near the window, please. We're celebrating our wedding anniversary with red roses and scented candles.
Noted, sir. Would you like American, Russian, or French service?
American service.
May I have your contact number and email, sir?
503-9400 nicosisista@gmail.com.
Thank you, Sir Sista. To confirm, a table for 4 near the window on November 15, 2025 at 7 p.m. with red roses and scented candles for your anniversary. This is correct?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you for calling Westing Restaurant. See you soon.